Hey, welcome in to the Papa Drew's RV channel. This is before the creepy crud got everybody. We did a review, I hope you like it, of the park in San Diego, Chula Vista RV Resort. We're going to go over the park for everybody and kind of break it down. Before we get into the RV park review, this marina is adjacent and it's great if you want to go out, take a walk. You can rent boats here and go out and whale watch. You're down in San Diego, which is amazing. They have an old-time sailing ship, and for a bonus, there's a bar with a live band. Pricing is a little expensive. The food is tremendous. You can pull in, walk over to the bar, it's probably a 5-minute walk, and enjoy all the marina has to offer. It really enhances this RV park. Super cool. Really nice resort here, Chula Vista RV Resort. We broke out the drone. It's easier to review the park. 4K, we'll give you a bird's eye view. We'll go over the pricing, amenities, and everything this park has to offer. You won't be disappointed. Super nice, very quiet. A lot of high-end coaches in here. But yeah, $240 for 2 nights. They do have people living here full time, so I'm sure there's some rates. We'll head into the office here in a little bit and see what the rates are, the monthly rates. Get some information for everybody. But this is just really a nice RV park. Heated swimming pool. They have yoga in the morning, swimming, water, yoga. The girls went and did that yesterday. And it's just fun. Dog friendly, kid friendly, locked, gated. They have patrols that come by. The sites are super clean and pretty wide. They have a lot of bushes that separate so you don't feel like you're on top of the neighbors. So, yeah. And it's pretty close to everything. Coronado's right behind us. So we drove over to Silver Strand yesterday to see the Pisces, traveling Pisces. And that was a lot of fun. Went out to the park and did all that kind of stuff. And then we went out to dinner. Our number one favorite campsite in Southern California, obviously, is the Rincon Parkway. And then Silver Strand State Beach. We like Bolsa Chica too. We're big state beach campers. We're going to take you into the office right now, show you what the store is and where you check in. We're going to go over rates, so let's see what they have to say.
That's going to be off of P Street.
Wow. How much is your monthly rentals here?
Right now it's $1,500 to $1,800.
Really, for a month? Do you guys have like a membership or something?
No.
No? Just $1,500, $1,800?
That's for the long term.
Does that include electricity?
No, electricity is metered separately.
Okay. Hey, we're going to walk into the general store right now. They have everything you need. Knickknacks, shirts, keychains, stickers, and they also have a pretty good selection of RV equipment. So if you're like us on this trip and accidentally step on your rhino hose, you can go ahead and purchase one here in this shop. It really is pretty well stocked. The pricing is a little bit overinflated, but at an RV park, you can kind of expect that. So we got the Mavic 2 Zoom up in the air. We're shooting at 4K, 30 frames a second, and we're going to kind of map out the RV park. So when you go to check into the Chula Vista RV Resort here in downtown San Diego, right next to Coronado, which is a couple miles away from the U.S.-Mexican border, you can see your site and you can plan on how to get your big rigs in to those specific sites and which ones have a pass-through. As you can see, the park is well manicured. The pool is heated and so is the jacuzzi, and they also give a ton of classes in that swimming pool. My family went over and did water aerobics. I didn't go. People don't want to see that. But they had a blast going over there and doing that kind of stuff. But you can see how the park is laid out, and they're expanding this park. So if you want to come down and book this resort, it's about $220 for 2 days. It's not cheap, I'll tell you that right now. But with the state parks raising their pricing, this might be an option for people to come down and just enjoy a weekend. They do have monthly rates if you want to come down and live here, and that was in the previous clip. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear about them. Comment below. This is what some of the sites look like. I took the drone and flew it sideways so you can actually see how well manicured. They're really proud of this park, and they keep it up. It's just amazing. Every site has a trash can. There's so many high-end coaches in here. We felt ghetto fabulous pulling in on our RV. Here's the drone shot going down one of the roads here, so you can kind of see how wide it is. So you can tell if you have that giant fifth wheel, how you can put it in there. Hey, we popped that drone up to about 400 feet. We panned over to the left from the RV park, and we saw a boat recovery system, and I thought it was really neat. So I wanted to fly the drone over there, zoom in a little bit, take a look at it. I've never seen one this big, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Then we just did a flyby of the RV park, kind of going towards Mexico over there in the big hill in the distance. That's Mexico. Then we slowly did a pan around just to kind of give you a perspective of where you're sitting in Chula Vista. We're going to film the bay here in a second. Now that bay is really interesting. Late at night, if you're camping here or at Silver Strand State Beach, you'll see helicopters flying real low, and what they're doing is they're dropping off the Navy SEALs into that bay right there for training. The Navy SEALs use that bay extensively for all the training that they do. The Navy SEALs are just stationed across the bay right over there at Coronado, right next to Silver Strand State Beach, which is one of our favorite beaches. But you can see how pretty it was. It was a nice day, and it was really fun flying the drone. We like this RV park, and yes, we would stay here again. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time.